Hello traders. In this video I will share information on trading results using the gold ounce per US dollar Scalper Expert Advisor after 1 month of running it. In the previous video I also shared this EA for free. You can check previous videos on this channel. For details of this video, preset settings that I use, how to download Expert Advisors for free, EA Scalper gold ounce per US dollar trading results after 1 month. Watch this video until the end and don't skip it. And if you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel to get EA for free along with reviews every time I upload a video. One. Preset settings that I use. As the name suggests, this expert advisor runs on Forex gold ounce per US dollar. I started running the gold ounce per US dollar EA Scalper from December 12, 2022 with a capital of $1,000. And on January 7, 2023 it was archived. With a total balance of $1,073 or a profit of around $73. And my observations are still running at this time so that the total balance becomes $1,164. Or profit of $164 from December 12, 2022 to January 6, 2023. Currently there is still floating -$4. And this is the preset I use. Two. How to download Expert Advisors for free. To download this EA, all you have to do is visit the website that I have created at tradeea.com. Here you just have to download it. For a detailed review of how it works and recommendations for a time frame and minimum capital, I have also explained it on this website. Don't forget you also have to enter the default Scalper gold ounce per US dollar indicator into your MetaTrader. 3. A Scalper gold ounce per US dollar trading results after 1 month. Okay, I'll just show you the trading results of the EA Scalper gold ounce per US dollar for more than a month. You can pay attention here. The initial capital that I use for observation is $1,000, resulting in an estimated daily income of 0.32%, monthly 10.25% and a drawdown that has occurred is 27.43%. Growth is relatively stable. Slow but sure. Okay, you can see the balance growth information here. And profit growth like this. There was a 21.27% drawdown on December 15, 2022. That means a drawdown of around $210. So, for the security of your balance, you must use a capital of at least $1,000. Trading history that occurred as many as 182 transactions. With a profit ratio of 77% and a loss of 23%. For an average profit of $4.50 and an average loss of -$11.48. Profit factor which produced 1.35. This expert advisor runs 24 hours during the market, not Monday to Friday. So you can also pay attention to profit and loss information on an hourly and daily basis. As I said at the beginning of the video, my trading starts from December 12, 2022, and until now I am still carrying out trading observations. The profit that has been obtained is $58. I will also check the duration of the transaction, the fastest in seconds, and the longest can be up to 5 days. In December 2022 the profit generated was 7.31% and in January 2023 which is still running currently getting a profit of 8.51%. The conclusion I got from 1 month using the gold ounce per US dollar EA Scalper is still pretty good. With a drawdown of 21% is relatively normal. I think this expert advisor is not too aggressive and dangerous. But you also still have to be careful. Make sure you use money that you are prepared to lose. Do not use borrowed money or money that you are not prepared to lose. And learn how this expert advisor works for at least 1 month until you are sure. I hope this video can be useful. And I also hope that you can be financially successful one day. Thanks for watching till the end.